Garmin fans, get ready because big news is coming your way. Just a few weeks ago, Garmin teased a brand new Forerunner smartwatch. And now, fresh leaks are pointing toward another huge release, the Garmin Venu 4. This latest discovery comes from an unexpected source, a newly updated Venu 3 series user manual in Japan. Inside it, there's a clear mention of the Venu 4, specifically tied to Garmin's paid golf membership service. Now, that's not the kind of detail you'd expect to be a simple misprint. Instead, it looks like Garmin is quietly laying the groundwork for its next big lifestyle smartwatch launch. If we look at Garmin's history, this timing makes perfect sense. Remember, the Venu 3 and Venu 3S were officially released in late August 2023. Following that pattern, the Venu 4 and Venu 4S could arrive as soon as next month, or no later than September 2025. That means the countdown to Garmin's next-gen smartwatch may already have begun, so what can we expect from the Venu 4? While Garmin hasn't confirmed any official specs yet, we can make some solid predictions. Leaks and trends suggest we'll see a brighter AMOLED display for sharper visuals indoors and outdoors, voice controls for hands-free convenience, a refreshed, more intuitive user interface, possibly even new health tracking upgrades that build on Garmin's strengths in fitness and wellness. With these improvements, Garmin seems to be pushing the Venu lineup beyond just fitness tracking, making it a true competitor against lifestyle-focused wearables like the Apple Watch and Samsung Galaxy Watch series. What's exciting here is Garmin's strategy. The Forerunner series is known for serious athletes and advanced training features, while the Venu lineup blends fitness with style and everyday usability. If the Venu 4 really delivers these upgrades, it could become the perfect middle ground between hardcore training and all-day lifestyle use. Now I want to hear from you. Should Garmin continue doubling down on lifestyle smartwatches like the Venu 4, or stick to its roots with performance-first devices like the Forerunner 970? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you don't want to miss any of these upcoming smartwatch leaks, rumors, and reviews, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Because here at Touch Trove, we bring you the latest in tech, gaming, and wearables every single week.